I summon the kitty. I am magical. Yep, magic. What do you think? Starting to feel more comfortable here at home? Huh? Yeah? Okay. I mean, I'm glad you are. Yeah. No, it's a big transition. Go from living in Chicago, being a Bears and Packers, yeah, no, I know, not a Packers fan. You're a Bears and Cubs fan. But this house, we're Packers. Yep, Packers. Packers and Brewers. Can you say go Packers and go Brewers? Okay, it's gonna take a little time to crack this nut, but you're gonna be a Packer and Brewer fan. I know it. It's gonna happen. Your mama is. Okay. What do you think, dude? You make this place work? Yeah? You just gotta get along with the other kitties now. Can you do that? No? I know you can. You just gotta try a little harder. Oh. Well, yeah, I mean, she could be that way, but, you know. Cobbs. Come on now. Why do you sound like the devil? I'd probably stay away for a little bit. Oh, come on now, Cobbs. It's your sister. You don't remember her? Yeah, it's gonna take a little adjustment, though. Yeah, we all just had treats together. No one ran away. No one hissed. Yet. And now we can maybe play with a little toy, huh? What do you think? Growth. Personal growth. What do you think, Cubser? We make it work? Got a lot of toys. Got endless snacks. Got some cat companionship. Got mom and dad that love you.